Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to review this hidden gem set I got. So it's pretty cool. It's like there's some gems inside, you just kind of open it. So we're just going to go crack it open. Let me just crack it open right now. Alright, the gem, it's right here. It's in the plastic, so we're just going to open the plastic up. It's like powder or something inside. That's a little weird. Let's just rip it off. Whoa, okay. This is not what I expected, but oh wow. Alright guys, we got a gem. A hidden gem, to be precise. Alright, we take a look at this thing. This thing looks like a kind of a candy or something. Do not eat it though, okay? But also in the box, it came with some tools in here, so we're just gonna take them all out because it's like kind of hard to take them out of the box. But okay, we got the brush. Kind of useless, but alright. Alright, here the hammer. It's actually a pretty nice hammer. So yeah, so we're gonna start cracking this open. Alright, we should probably start in the middle and see. Oh. I see this is gonna take a long time, so. Oh, we got some damage on the side. Wait, there's this cool trick where we have to put water on it. Let's try to put water on it. Ooh, it's dissolving nicely. Oh, just kind of. Ew, it turned like brown. Oh, it got so soft. Like, it actually did. Oh. I wish we had some, like, scooper or something with this.
It's like purple now, ew. Can we dig in there now or something? Yeah, we're gonna try something.
Scissors. Yeah, crack it open.
Ooh, scissors. You gotta use the scissors sometime. Ooh. Alrighty, we're going to put that aside. And, oh, what do we got?
We got something in there. Should we just break it in half or something? Oh! Oh my! My goodness! See? Oh, I see something. Hidden gem. We've uncovered a gem. Let's see what it is. Okay, crack it. We gotta crack it first. I don't know what that is, but I'm very curious to know. Ugh. Oh, we kind of did nothing there, but anyways, let's try to break that hidden gem. Oh, there it is. What is that? Let's get the brush. Oh, it's some rock in there. Let's try to. Oh, this stuff smells weird. I don't like the smell. It's not very pleasant. Oh, it's like this cool diamond thing. That's cool. We got our first gem. Put that aside. Alrighty. This is quite messy, but anyways. Is there anything in here? Nah, it's just rock. Alrighty. Is there anything in here? Because I'm just going to use my bare strength. Or not. I'm just going to kind of jab into it. Like I'm a statue artist or something. This is actually a lot easier. I can just do this for the whole entire time. Oh, okay. What is that? Whoa. What is that? What is that, guys? Look at that. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh my god. How big is that? What is that? That is insane. Oh. Let's try to crack it. Oh! Look at that. We got our first gem. Oh, wow. Look at that. That is beautiful. Oh, there it is, though. But on the side, let's see for more hidden gems. Back to mining. Oh, what is... It's hard. I needed some water for this. Alright, it's kind of... Uh-oh, we don't have that much. We don't have any. Oh, just gotta break the soft parts then. Oh my god. Let's try to dig forward and see what we can find. Okay, okie dokie. I don't think there's anything left in here. I think we kind of just cleared everything. It's like, oh my god. Oh, I see something. I guess that digging was for something. Oh, okay. Gotta crack it. Whoa, what is that? What is that? Okay. My hands are full of like dirt. What is that? What in the heck? Gotta take. Oh my god. Let's take a picture of that. Okay, but I don't think we can build. But still, that is very cool. Our photos. That is cool. What on earth is that? Oh, let's dig it out or something. Let's try to... it's big. Or I think it's big. Let's try. Let's see. These are real gems, I think. I'm gonna be a billionaire. Oh my god, that is beautiful. That is very, very beautiful. Oh, okay. Whoa, that... Oh. Okay. Look at that. It's like a crystal gem. No wonder why it's called hidden gems, huh? But anyways, let's keep on exploring. See if there's anything in here. Let's dig into this bad boy. Yeah, I don't think there is anything in here. Just a chunk of nothing. Alright, we still got that part. But anyways, let's keep on digging with our hammer. Handy hammer friend. Keep on digging and drilling. That's okay. There. Okay, let's just kind of keep on drilling it out. See what I can find. I like this. This is like fun. Let's try to dig that out. See, I told you the brush was going to be useless. Found a rock. It's not a rock at all. Hot wheels are going to get dirty. Let's try to find something. That's not something. Well, what is that? Is that a rock? Okay, I think it is. It is. It is a rock, I think. Let's try to drill it out. What in the heck? What is this? Is this? Is this what? Is this a bone? Like, what? Oh, it's like sand. I got excited for a second. It's not anything. But it's like hard or something. I feel like there is something there. There's nothing. All of this powder. So, I mean, anyways, let's just get this part. See what else we can find. 5 gems. We found 3. So we need to find 2 more gems in here. Let's go. Mommy, listen. Oh, wow. Okay. Trying to keep on drilling. Oh, what is this? It's nothing. It's just a piece of something. Let's keep on drilling. Oh, we see something. I see something. I see something. Where did the brush go? It's gone. Oh, it's under the box. Alright, let's drill that out. What is that? Ooh, oh my. Oh my. Oh, let's just... Ooh, wow. Oh, I see another rock. Let's go two. We found 2 of them next to each other. Oh, wow. Found a first. Found another one. My eyes don't feel too good, but anyways, let's just... What is that? I gotta jab it more. Oh my. Oh wow, lots of stuff are falling down on this table. It's a bad thing I put all these cards here. What is this, like? Just use the grip of my fingers because I'm strong boy. I'm a strong boy. So what we have found, don't even know what this is, but it's something. But let's just crack open. Hidden gem, it's a... What is this? What kind of gem is this? It's kind of weird. Anyways, there's nothing else to be seen here than just gravel and like this sand and stuff. It's just crumpled up with my man hands and just kind of... I think there's might be another extra in here. Nah, there isn't. It's just... Just sand. Alrighty, guys. This is the end of the video. Here are the gems we have found. Let's take a look at them. Wow, pretty nice. My favorite one has got to be these two. Pretty cool, guys. So, yeah, guys, end the video. Hope you liked it, and a lot of cleaning up to do. But anyways, bye.